Hello everyone, good day. I'm Rina Fema Kiling and today I'm going to describe the different approaches to school curriculum, explain by examples how the approaches clarify the definition of curriculum, and lastly, after learning from the lesson, how would you prepare yourself to become a teacher using the three approaches to curriculum. Include your discussion how the three approaches interrelate with each other. First, describe the different approaches to school curriculum. Three ways of approaching a curriculum, such as curriculum as a content, curriculum as a process, and curriculum as a product. So, curriculum as a content's focus will be the body of knowledge to be transmitted to students using appropriate teaching method. The likelihood of teaching will be limited to acquisition of facts, concepts, and principles of the subject matter. However, the content can also be taken as a means to an end. Curriculum as a process happens in the curriculum as the questions asked by teacher and learning activities engaged in by the students. The process of the teaching and learning process becomes the central concern of teaching to emphasize critical thinking, thinking meaning making and hands-on doing and many others. There are the ways of teaching, ways of managing the content, guiding, learning, methods of teaching and learning and strategies of teaching or delivery modes. Curriculum as a product is central to the approach is the formulation of behavioral objectives stated as intended learning outcomes. These learned or achieved learning outcomes are demonstrated by the person who has meaningful experiences in the curriculum. All these result of planning, content, and process in the curriculum. Second, explain by example how the approaches clarify the definition of curriculum. So, a curriculum approach shows the viewpoints of curriculum development and design, the role of the learners, the teachers, the curriculum specialist in planning the curriculum. It also includes the goals and objectives of the curriculum. An approach to curriculum reflects the person's view of the world, including what the person perceives as reality, the values deemed important, and the amount of knowledge he or she possesses. Third, after learning from this lesson, how would you prepare yourself to become a teacher using the three approaches to curriculum? So, include your discussion how the three approaches interrelate with each other. So, in order to prepare myself in the near future, I must first learn what is curriculum and how will it help my job as a teacher and for the students. Also, it is important to know my goals, resources, students whether they are gifted, advanced or special education, as well as knowing my state curriculum, preference and ability. As what they say, curriculum as a product will have a defining parameter of what students will be capable of doing when they leave your class. Curriculum as a process is just the range of products you have exposed them to over the year. Mastery is not necessarily a consideration for pass, fail, but whether they have participated or not. My preparation should be focused on what and who I will be teaching and determining what to be achieved.